All right. My experience has been most people that try to do it without an attorney, they waste that first hearing date and the hearing officer says, okay, looking good, do all this stuff and come back in 6 months. All right. Whereas the attorney that practices in that area can get all your ducks in a row before you go in for your hearing.
The Sovereign Citizen.
Morning, Your Honor. Congressman 48-65 is setting up a hearing with Mr. 𝘾𝙤𝙥𝙮𝙧𝙞𝙜. I have had an opportunity to help him. Mr. 𝘾𝙤𝙥𝙮𝙧𝙞𝙜, please state your name for the record. 𝘾𝙤𝙥𝙮𝙧𝙞𝙜.
Thank you.
Prosecutor, we are unanimous. Prosecutor has agreed to plead down the driving license suspended to a allowing versus
Yep.
and to dismiss the civil infraction on this for the stop sign.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Tavares, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? Understood all that? You understand the possible penalty for allowing an unlicensed driver to operate? And understanding that, are you pleading guilty to the charge? Freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on April 11, 2026 while your license was suspended? I'll accept your plea to that, dismiss both the original charges. You working? Where do you work? Say it again? Property maintenance. How long you been with them? Good. And what's the status of your license? What do you got to do to get back? Okay. All right. So little advice you didn't ask for. Hire an attorney that does license restorations because you might, it'll cost you money, but it'll save you time. Anything else before I sentence?
Well, Your Honor, the reason actually that I advocated for a lawsuit because he advised me based on the attorney he did hire previously.
Good.
Like that. Then every time he gives a ops, they I guess there is 4 years.
Sure. Sure. This won't do that.
So this last lawsuit is only 23, 24.
Yep.
So she'll get it by then.
Yep. All right. Good luck. All right. Anything else?
No.
Okay. All right. On this file, Mr. Tavares, $500 fines and costs and 4 days on the court work program. I assess work program as an alternative to jail. We run that 6 days a week right now. You pick which 4 days you want to work. As to the money, can you pay it today or you need to talk about options? Today? All right, go downstairs, take care of the money. The cashier will smile at you and then schedule your days. Any questions? Good luck with that license. Turner.
House until this is over with.
Should I get up there? Okay.
Morning, and Your Honor. I'm up to move forward to please 657. On behalf of Shirley Turner, would you please state your name for the record?
Thank you.
Yes, there's two options here. There's regular pretrial where to allowing a suspended person to drive and pre-hearing on the proof of insurance. Miss Turner wants to avail herself. I have had a chance to pre-try and case the prosecutor. Ms. Turner wants to avail herself of the offer. Had reviewed her advice and rights with her as to.
All right. You understand your rights? Understand the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate? Are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Doing so freely and voluntarily? Okay. On April 9, 2026, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus while you were not licensed to do so? I'll accept your plea, dismiss the civil infraction. What do you need to do to get your license? Have you started the process?
Yeah. While being on permit, the Romulus is when
This Wednesday? Good luck. So if you pass the road test, then what? You get your license? You're almost there then. You've been practicing? Okay. You working? When's the last time you worked? All right. Where were you working then? How long were you at McDonald's? Okay. How come you're not working now? Okay. Childcare. Yeah. How many kids? Okay. All right, Ms. Turner, usually I would order 4 days on the work program on this file, but with the kids and the current transportation issues, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to order charity work. So I'm going to give you until August 1 to complete 30 hours of charity work and document it to the court. That means nonprofit registered with the IRS. We've got a list downstairs that are pre-approved. You can use that or you can find something on your own. Understood? The fines and costs are $500. Go downstairs and pay it or make arrangements to pay it. They'll tell you what all your options are on that. Any questions? Good luck. Actually, I'm going to do you a solid. How confident are you about Wednesday?
Oh.
You bring me a valid license within 30 days and you won't have to pay that $500.
Sweet.
So within 30 days, you either pay the 500 or show me that you got your license. All right, got it? Did you think anybody was going to pay you to get your license? Good luck. You're welcome. Counsel, I think that's it right now.
The Sovereign Citizen.